Okay, hey guys, so today I am going to do this experiment that like from 74 capsules I have collected this biotin 10,000 mcg powder, and which is look like this. So the smell is kind of I can say pungent, and the date of this medicine has passed out, which was March, and today is May. Today is May, so about 2 months have been passed for the expiry date, after the expiry date of this biotin capsule. So let me show you the date. As you can see, so the date is March 2022, which has been passed. Now my experiment is that I will put this into this glass, and let's see in how much time will this biotin powder get mixed in the water. So let's pour this. So this powder is about, so if I can see over here, one capsule, the weight is not mentioned, but it contains this amount of things, and let's say the total weight is given or not. Okay, so total weight is not given. I assume that the weight of each capsule will be about 5 to 10 grams. So the total weight of all this is going to be about 70 grams. If I assume 10 grams for each capsule, so sorry, 700 grams. So 700 grams, I don't think so, because 1000 gram is going to be 1 kg, so it's not that so much. So the weight is not confirmed, but what I can say is that if I put this, it is taking about half of the glass, as you can see. Sorry, not half, but it is more than, it is less than half, little bit. So now let's do the experiment. Put the water and see in how much time will it get dissolved. So what is happening? Some bubble is generating, and it looks like kind of jaljeera. So you can see that without mixing it, this biotin, it easily get dissolved. The color which I am getting is about a greenish yellow color. It is a kind of greenish yellow color, and it is dissolved very easily. But the smell is very kind of chemical, like if you have done some chemistry experiment, the smell is something like that, very pungent, bitter. These two smells are I am feeling. कैसे सड़े नाले में से आती है वैसे आ रही है। बहुत ही गंदी कड़वी दवाई, लाइक इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ बिटर मेडिसिन। ओके, so that is all about for this biotin mixing dissolving in water. It's very easily, it can be easily get dissolved without stirring, and that's all for this. I will also make a video on that, these capsules, in how much time it can get dissolved in water, because we are taking this capsule for our daily consumption. So we need to see that how this capsule will be get dissolved in our stomach or in a water, let's say, so that we can assume that okay, in how much time will it, this capsule is going to be get dissolved in our stomach.